Got the old road dog with me today, old George. What's up, buddy?
What's up, big dog?
Hey, we're fixing to go hunt pizza. You know, when we're not hunting snakes, we're hunting pizza, boy.
Beware the elusive pizza.
Woo! Is that what we're doing, son? We're going pizza hunting.
We're going pizza hunting, man. I swear, you know, the swamp buggy was an enjoyable ride. This is like a roller coaster of slow death in slow motion.
The old girl don't have much suspension on her.
We discovered a big old cottonmouth.
Woo!
We caught that. He ain't playing. He ain't playing. There you have it, folks. Let that mouth open up. He ain't messing around. He's giving you a warning right there. Don't come any closer.
That's right.
Crazy. You see that, folks? Don't go anywhere near that sucker. Once he gives you that warning, walk away, turn around, let him exist, because if he catches you, you're going to get a world of hurting, and you're going to regret it. Well, that was one pissed off cottonmouth.
Scared me, son.
Scared both of us, man. That was one big fat cottonmouth that was just not having a good day.
We're just trying to go hunt pizza, man, and freaking, we gotta deal with cottonmouths and all kinds of stuff, man, dangerous stuff just to get pizza. That's freaking crazy.
Everybody wants a slice. On our hunt for the elusive pizza, Dusty discovered a new hat.
Over here at Skunk Ape, son, we got some mail coming in. There we go.
Nice hat. Every man loves a good hat.
No.
After long and hard, we have discovered the spot. The one spot where we will find the elusive Everglades Pizza. Here it is. Dusty, is this the invasive pizza?
We're hunting pizza today.
Uh-huh. Is this the invasive pizza? Let us know.
It is. It is.
See that? It is the invasive pizza. Watch out, folks.
Come on, son, let's go. We're gonna sneak in this way. Shh. Come on. Hey!
This is where it's made, folks. The elusive python pizza, the beast, the animal, the largest pizza you could ever find in the Everglades.
We're gonna do Wildman versus the Beast.
And there it is. The caretaker of the elusive pizza.
What's happening, guys?
And here he goes.
Starting with a big 3-pound dough.
That's what she said.
Yeah. It's probably going to take a couple minutes.
It is killing us, folks. What do you think, Dusty?
This is a whole lot of meat.
My mouth's watering, son.
She's been out to the camp, right?
Watch out, pizza tricks. Look at that.
I don't think she's been out there. Steve don't even like going out there because of the driveway.
Now, if he dropped that, we would have to cut the film. Pizza's so large, it doesn't even fit on the counter.
No, we gotta get it. have
So what made you decide to come along and say, you know what, I'm gonna do this beast of a pizza?
you know, I've seen it, you know, obviously I didn't invent it. I've seen it in other places. And on Super Bowl, you get a lot of people that like, they order a lot of pizzas, you know, like 2, 3, 5 at a time. So I thought this would be a good way to, you know, make one pizza instead of 4 or 5.
Giant gorilla, they say. I found it. Look at him. The look of a man who's famished, who's hungry.
Fascinated. Fascinating.
So what else is going on out in the camp? Anything exciting?
No, not really. Just George is over there working on my website. We're trying to get it dialed in.
She had to fabricate that box from an old refrigerator box. I'm just kidding. She didn't.
Yeah, it's an old refrigerator box.
I mean, you can actually fit furniture inside that box.
Yeah, we want pepperoni on this, right?
Yeah.
Look at the size of that box.
It doesn't fit on the table either.
If we had that box as kids in New York, we used that to go down the mountains in the snow.
Let's see if we can get it to fit in the oven.
Oh, the oven. Oh, there it is.
Just in comparison, that's the size of like a normal size person pizza, you know.
When it comes to pizza, size does matter.
Jeez.
There we go. Now let's see.
So let me show you the size of this box. Surely not a small box in any way whatsoever. The pizza, let me show you the tray.
So anyway, look at this, bro.
Ooh.
You gonna handle that, dude? Wow. That monster? It's a friggin'
I'm
monster.
gonna scan right over it. Look at it.
The biggest pizza in the Everglades,
Ready?
I can see Dusty Crum taking a nap after this.
Yeah, this is definitely a napper.
Hey, Gus,
I think that's amazing, son. Look at that face.
can you handle that?
Oh no, we're picking to find now.
Jeez.
Wildman versus the beast.
There ain't no work getting done today.
Too much practice.
Right.
You know? I don't want to, you know, be able to take them home and, you know, figure it and strategize. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, hear that? All the way through. You want big slices, or what do you think?
Whatever.
Should we do it like that?
Yeah.
Like this? Hold on. Oh yeah, you can fold that right in half, bro.
Now, I know that's making you hungry. If you want a pizza piled just like this, there's only one place to go. Dusty?
The best place to come, son. Only at Hole in the Wall Pizza, Everglades City, you're gonna find this beast. Come get you some, son.
And just look for this guy right here.
That's right. Good Lord.
We'll get back to you as soon as the coma is done. So, I had 1 slice and a half of that beast pizza, and he had 2 slices,
slices.
and he had a slice of the big cookie.
Yeah.
And I'm driving down this road, I'm wondering, why are we driving so slow? And all I see is Dusty doing these.
What's the speed limit, man? What's the speed limit? Oh, man.
Give that man a pillow because he's ready to crash.
Ooh.
What was that?
Hog had something in his hands.
Maybe it was the moccasin.
Son, do you hear that?
No.
It's a pillow. It's calling my name.
It's my pillow.
Saying, Dusty, where are you at, son? Oh, yeah, come hold me. The pillow, I'm coming.
Hopefully it's in the female voice.
I'm coming, pillow. I'm coming. I'm gonna make it to you.
So there you have it. If you want a really amazing, comatose, with a capital C, pizza, you gotta go to Hole in Wall Pizza in Everglades City.
Oh man. The beast whooped the wild man's butt on that one.
Good times, good pizza. We found the evasive pizza, and it was a log.
It was a big one. It was a big one. It's probably a record breaker.
Signing out.